Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man channel. Have you ever asked yourself, is post-construction cleaning really worth the money? Whether you're a contractor, homeowner, or property manager, post-construction cleanup is essential. But is it worth the cost? In this video, we're diving into everything you need to know about post-construction cleaning. By the end, you'll have the best pricing tips for 2024 and a clearer understanding of whether hiring professionals is the right move for you. First, let's talk about the benefits. Professional post-construction cleaning doesn't just leave your space looking spotless. It saves you valuable time and ensures your project is ready for occupancy. Experts have the tools and the knowledge to handle hazardous materials and stubborn debris that the average cleaning crew might miss. This level of thoroughness not only reduces potential safety risks, but also ensures everything is done up to code. But what about the costs? This is where it can get tricky. Prices for post-construction cleaning can vary widely depending on factors like the size of the space, the level of cleanup required, and your location. A smaller, straightforward job will naturally cost less, but larger projects or those requiring more specialized cleaning might push the price up. For 2024, expect a baseline cost of around 20 to 50 cents per square foot, though prices can climb higher depending on complexity. So, how do you make sure you're getting the best deal? First, always ask for detailed estimates from multiple service providers. Look for companies that break down their pricing so you know exactly what you're paying for, whether that's trash removal, window cleaning, or deep sanitizing. Next, don't be afraid to negotiate. Many companies will offer discounts for bundling services or for flexible scheduling. And remember, cheap isn't always better. Avoid common pitfalls like hiring based solely on price. You don't want to end up with a crew that cuts corners. Instead, check reviews, ask for references, and ensure they have the proper insurance coverage. In the end, post-construction cleaning is often worth the money, especially if you prioritize safety, time savings, and overall quality. But the key is finding a service that fits your budget without sacrificing the level of clean you need. If this video helped you understand the ins and outs of post-construction cleaning, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more tips and advice to help you make informed decisions on your next project. Let's get started.